A lot of questions about controlling hair frizz, hair breakage, really rough looking hair. A lot of people want to avoid chemical treatments totally, but then without chemical treatments their hair looks so unkept. So they're looking for a solution to improve on the texture and the frizz of their hair. And I think as a doctor in hair care, it is my holistic responsibility to educate people on the various aspects of taking care of their hair, whether it be what to eat, whether it be about the multivitamins, about the topical hair tonics and oils to use, or whether it be about shampoo, conditioners and leave-in serums. Because of this, yesterday I had a very powerful Insta live on my Instagram, I Love Skin Sense, where for 30 minutes I spoke about how to get the most from your conditioner, whether you should use a silicone oil or whether you should use an argan oil to make your hair healthy, and a lot of other questions. But a question kept coming back to me. A lot of people wrote to me that can I give them some kind of an idea that they can do at home to keep their hair soft. I have spoken about a very powerful hack, the rice water therapy, fermented rice water therapy. If you haven't had a look at it yet, ask me. I will give you the link to my YouTube channel where I have explained exactly step-by-step procedure of how you can use a rice water therapy. Today I have something even more interesting for you, how to get more from your existing conditioner without spending a lot of money, without spending a lot of time, and without even getting out of your house. So whatever your existing conditioner is, if you feel it's not leaving your hair soft and hydrated enough, you can add these 3 ingredients to it. So take your conditioner in a cup, add a little glycerin easily available at any pharmacy, add a spoonful of honey. Again, the better quality of honey you use, the better hydration you're going to get, and buy a vitamin E capsule easily available at a pharmacy. Again, pierce the capsule, it's a soft gel capsule, and squeeze the entire vitamin E capsule into the conditioner. And now mix it well together. After you wash your hair, squeeze out the excess water after shampoo, apply this conditioner, spread it well with your fingers, leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. If possible, wear a shower cap on top so that there is more, humidity is trapped inside and there is more the conditioner can do, and then wash it off with tap water. And thank me for this, because this is something you can do at home very, very easily. It doesn't even take a lot of time, right? So try it and let me know. Coming up with a lot more scientific, effective, value for money hacks just for you about skin, hair, body shape, immunity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for all your questions.